Okay, hello everyone. Nice to meet you. My name is Gede Aditra Pratnyana. I am from Department of Electrical Engineering, Institut Teknologi 10 November, ITS, Indonesia. And for this session, I will present my research paper for the 24th International Seminar on Intelligent Technology and its Application, ICTIA 2023. My research paper entitled Fine-Tuning Indo-BERT Model for Big Five Personality Prediction from Indonesian Social Media. My research background is related to the fact that knowledge of a person's personality is beneficial for various things in life, such as in the recruitment process, or academic success, recommendation system, counseling, social status, and many more. And also, personality influence a person's behavior, both in the real and virtual world. Since social media allows someone to express themselves and interact, their behavior can be analyzed to predict their personality. There are several personality types that are commonly used, such as Big Five personality, or also known as five-factor model. And then the ISC, dominant, influence, steadiness, consensuousness, and also MBTI, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. And for this study, we use a Big Five personality type that consists of 5 traits: openness, consensuousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and the last is neuroticism. And each trait have its own characteristic. And my research problem is related to the current research that use AI to automate Big Five personality prediction from social media data, and the presence of classification technique based on attention and transformer has provided satisfactory result in natural language processing NLP studies. However, its use for Indonesian has not been studied optimally, including in personality prediction tasks, whereas Indonesia is a country with a large number of social media users in the world. So to overcome their problem, in this research, we propose a new model for personality prediction using fine-tuning Indo-BERT. Indo-BERT is a transformer-based model in the style of BERT, bidirectional encoder representation from transformer, and trained in Indonesian corpus. And also for this research, we add several process in pre-processing stage, such as a process when handling emoji and consecutive letters that often appear in Indonesian social media data, including the process of adjusting token representation for classification with the Indo-BERT model. The following is flowchart that describes the stage of the proposed model. Yeah, the social media data used will go through the pre-processing stage, which consists of several process. Yeah, start for lower casing process, and then we remove the URL from the tweet content, and then we replacing username and emoji. In this process, we change the username tag in the tweet to the uname tag token and the emoji character to the representative word using regular expression. And then after this process, we continue to replace consecutive letter, and then inserting special token, SEP, SEP token. Yeah, this step is to prepare the tweet text to match the format accepted by BERT. After this process, we continue to remove stop word and also remove punctuation. Yeah, the maximum number of token that the Indobird model can process is 500 and 512 token. So the stop word removal process is then carried out first, and then a sentence is cut if the number of tokens still exceeds the provision. After the model is loaded, the training will be done by setting the hyperparameter, such as batch size, learning rate, and the number of epoch. The following is the architecture of the Indobird model used in this study. Can be seen in this figure. Before the Indobird model can process the tweet text, yeah, the tweet text will be split into token with a specific format specified by the BERT model. 3 special token will be added. The first one is CLS token at the beginning of each data sequence for a classification case, and then SEP token at the end of sentences, and a pad token for padding according to the maximum sentence length. The maximum sentence length is 512, so each record will have a consistent length. For this study, we use two types of Indobird model, Indobird large and Indobird base. This study use data set obtained from previous research, this one, which is Indonesian Twitter tweets. The specification of the dataset can be seen in this slide. And then for the implementation process of the Indobird model, we use PyTorch framework with the transformer package from the Hugging Face library. And the performance of the proposed model will be seen by or based on accuracy value and F1 score. The following is the experimental result. Based on the experimental result in table 1, the highest average accuracy value of the Indobird model is obtained when using epoch, 3 epoch, and 3 times to the minus 5 learning rate, and also 16 batch size with an accuracy of 78%. The lowest accuracy value for all hyperparameter combination was 68%. The tuning result also show that the increasing number of epoch does not necessarily increase the accuracy of the personality prediction result from our proposed model. For superiority claim, we also compare the proposed model to another previous model. From this result, we can see that our proposed model can outperform other model in the aspect of accuracy and also advanced score. And we continue to the conclusion. The conclusion of my research is using Indobird base, the proposed model obtained an accuracy value of 72% and an F1 score of 71% based on experimental research. By using Indobird LART, it can boost accuracy by 78% and F1 score by 74%. This proposed model has proved to outperform the prediction performance of other model. This model also accurately predict the Big Five personality type based on Twitter social media data, particularly for the agreeableness and neuroticism personality types. This research is supported and funded by Pusat Layanan Pembiayaan Pendidikan, Puslabdik, the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology, and Lembaga Pengelola Dana Pendidikan LPDP Indonesia. Okay, I think this is my last slide. Thank you so much for your attention. You can reach me via this email address. Once again, thank you so much for your attention, and I'm ready to go to the discussion section. Thank you so much.